Hello, my name is Criselda Lopez. I am an El Paso artist, and along with El Paso Museum of Art, we are bringing you small crafts for you to work on at home and have fun. The one I have for you today are small piñatas for your Christmas trees. The materials we will be needing today are white paper, pencil, scissors, a ruler, a hot glue gun along with glue sticks, of course. We will be needing also some either string or some kind of ribbon, any color that you like. I will be finishing off with some sequin, and then we will also be needing some cardboard and tissue paper. So what we will be doing first is drawing the triangle for our tree. Draw it free form like this, and then cut it out. So now that I have the triangle that I will be using as a pattern, I can now trace this one onto my cardboard. So I have used my tracer into the cardboard, and I have traced the cardboard twice. I will be needing 2 of these, and then I have cut them out. So now what I will be needing is the part in between so that it becomes 3-dimensional. And for that, I will be using more cardboard and my ruler. And what I will be doing is tracing 1/2 inch strips. And then after I've traced them, I can go ahead and cut them out. And once I cut them out, I can go ahead and glue them onto my triangle shapes. So once I put the hot glue all the way around, I can then place my strips in place. So I will be cutting off the excess on this side. So I finished this part. I've done the back, the sides, and now what I need to do is at the top. So I have now the base of my tree. Now what I will be using is the tissue paper to add it onto my tree. So what I will be doing is cutting my strips, and I'm just gonna eyeball them. They're around 3/4 of an inch. So now that I have my strips, I will be cutting them in half. And now I am ready to attach them onto my base. I'm going to be working from the bottom up. So what I will be doing is adding a line of glue, and then I will be attaching the strip like this. So once it's like this, I can then trim off the excess. And then this part is done. So now I need to do the sides along with the back. Now what I will do with the sides is that I will just finish off in just one color. And then once again, I can either fold it over or I can trim it. So now that I've done this part, now I'm ready to do the back, and I will be doing it in the same way. So once everything is in place, once again, I will turn it over and trim the excess. So I'm almost done with my piñata. What I need to do in order for it to look like a piñata is that I need to cut fringes all the way around in all of my strips of tissue paper. So I will begin on the bottom. So now I can move the fringes a little bit and have them curl a little bit upwards. Or you can use your pencil. Now that it's done on one side, I can turn it over and do it on the other side. And we forgot the bottom. And my piñata tree is finished. What I need to do now is cut a piece of ribbon, and I will be tying the ribbon at the bottom. And I will be using my knot so that I can have enough glue to hold this for it to hang on the tree. Once it's in place, then I can go ahead and trim off the excess. As it continues to dry, then now I can add the sequins. For my sequins, all I need to do is add dots of glue here and there. And then attach the sequin. What I want to attach are circles. There's many flowers and there's many leaves and so on, but what I want are just the circles. And there we go. We can add this to both sides and we will have our finished tree. So I'm finishing off with just a few more either sequin or rhinestones. These plastic rhinestones also add a very nice little touch. And now I'm finished. This is my little Christmas tree piñata ornament. You can also do a piñata Christmas tree ornament, like a variation from those traditional ornaments, but maybe in a piñata. You can also make a star. You can make just a circle, any other shape. So it's up to you what you would like to do. You don't have to stick to a Christmas tree. Your imagination is your limit. You decide what you would like to do. Thank you for joining us. Please, again, make sure you use the hot glue responsibly. And if you don't have a hot glue gun, you can also use just regular white glue. Again, thank you for joining us, and I hope you have a great time with these Christmas crafts.